So suppose a body is moving in a circular path. Okay, so this is our circular path, and suppose O is the center of the circle. Now at certain time, the position of the body, suppose A, and as the time passes, the body moves, and then suppose the body reaches at point B. Okay, so the angle that the body creates in the center is theta, and this theta is called angular displacement. Angular displacement of the body. So you notice here, as the body moves from point A to B, the theta also increases, right? The theta also increases, and the theta that creates in the center, that is called angular displacement. Now there is also a linear displacement, right? The AB distance between A and B is called the linear displacement of the body. Suppose it is S. Now you see, if the theta is very small, we can consider this circular path as a straight line. If the theta is very small, and this angle will be 90 degree. Why? Because you know that the tangent always creates 90 degrees to the radius. So from triangle AOB, we can write that tan theta is equals to, if this is S and this is R, we can say S by R, height by a base. Now if theta is very small, we can say that tan theta is approximately equals to theta. We'll discuss about it, why tan theta is approximately equals to theta, later. Now so we can write theta is equals to S by R. So यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा S equals to R theta. This is a very famous expression जो कि आपको कहता है linear displacement and angular displacement के बीच में relationship. So why tan theta is theta? जो tan theta is equal to theta होगा, अगर आपका theta का वैल्यू है ना less than 30 डिग्री, less than equal to 30 डिग्री हुआ, तब भी ये ट्रू होता है. Why? Suppose example के लिए let consider tan 30. You know tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is 1 by 1.732. इसका वैल्यू कितना आता है? इसका वैल्यू आता है 0.577. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे tan 30 को हम लिख सकते हैं ना 10 pi by 6. So tan pi by 6 is equals to pi by 6, और pi का वैल्यू है कितना 3.14 by 6, और इसका जो वैल्यू आता है ना वो आता है 0.523. So you see these two values are approximately equal, right? And that is why we say tan theta is equals to theta if the theta is very small. So this is the relationship between the angular displacement and linear displacement in uniform circular motion. So I hope you understand this video, and I hope this video helped you. I will meet you in the next video.